morning, everybody. Fred here. I just want to show you a quick new project that I got gifted from WorkPro. It looks like it's going to be really handy. I'm not getting paid for this at all. It was a gifted item and there's no affiliation at this point in time at all. So I just want to give you a quick review and show you how well it works. It has a safety guard, of course, across the blades. Safety trigger, hold that, and then the main trigger. And if for any reason you stop, it automatically opens up. So that's a really good safety feature. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and trim a couple of things here now and just show you how it works. Let's see, where should we cut first? Let's do this one here. That's kind of a crazy guy there. There it goes. Nice, that cuts really well. As with anything cordless or electric, its motor moves at a certain pace. So it probably won't cut and do things as fast as you would be used to doing. So that's something you would just have to weigh. But it feels really good in my hand. It's nice and small and compact. Gets into tight places really easy. Just like an extension of your hand. That's pretty good. I think that's a winner right there. Yep, there it is. Nice. Well, I appreciate you stopping by, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this. Just quick little review of the WorkPro cordless trimming shears. All right, thanks a lot, you guys. We'll talk to you again. Stop recording.